Do you struggle with chronic inflammation and pain from an injury or infection that has never fully healed? If so, you know how seriously it affects not just your daily life, work, and relationships, but also your well-being and self-esteem. In this video, I'll discuss the causes of these issues as well as common solutions to them. But before that, allow me to introduce myself. My name is Sharon Kotsky. I am the founder and president of Visum Light. I'm also a passionate LED light therapist with over 20 years of experience in the field of light therapy. My goal is to provide people and animals with a safe, non-invasive, painless method to promote healing using the body's own immune system response. Countless medical practitioners, chiropractors, veterinarians, and people at home have found tremendous benefits for themselves and their patients with the Visum Light. I'd like to show you how and why this therapy is so remarkably effective. But first, what causes chronic inflammation and pain? Inflammation is your body's natural immune response to infection, irritation, or injury. Prolonged or severe inflammation can create a chronic systemic response that damages the body at the cellular level, causing prolonged pain. Untreated infection or injury is another cause of prolonged inflammation and pain, as are autoimmune disorders and even long-term exposure to irritants. Additionally, lifestyle choices such as smoking, diet, alcohol, and even chronic stress are also contributing factors. Prolonged inflammation can also lead to other diseases such as rheumatoid arthritis, Alzheimer's disease, asthma, and even cancer. This is why average, everyday inflammation is best kept under control to reduce the risk of chronic inflammation. Typical treatments include non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs, or NSAIDs, steroids, and herbal supplements. While these treatment options have been proven to reduce inflammation, they usually come with risks. Long-term use of anti-inflammatory drugs has been associated with heightened risk of conditions like peptic ulcer and kidney disease, and prolonged use of steroids can result in vision problems, osteoporosis, or high blood pressure. Even herbal supplements, which aren't strictly regulated by the FDA, can pose health risks, especially if they're taken with other medications. Of course, an anti-inflammatory diet that includes fatty fish, olive oil, nuts, tomatoes, leafy greens, and fruits is an effective and essential part of your treatment. But what if there was another, faster, more effective way to manage symptoms of inflammation before it gets worse and leads to a more serious illness? That solution is photobiomodulation therapy, PBMT, or simply light therapy. It is an effective, pain-free method to reduce chronic inflammation and ease acute and chronic pain. While additional research, development, and clinical trials continue across a broad spectrum of diseases, conditions, and symptoms, so far there are over 5,500 publications that prove this therapy has tremendous promise and far-reaching implications, making light therapy an exciting addition to existing therapies. This has led to numerous handheld light therapy devices in the market right now. However, most of these provide a single color and a single purpose, which severely limits their functionality. As a long-term user of lights for healing, I felt there was a need to offer one device at one price that has multiple colors, power settings, and functionalities, all of which can be easily operated by anyone. This led me to create the Visum Light, an all-in-one, user-friendly device that provides comprehensive healing benefits and will not become obsolete in a few years as more information in the field of light therapy is discovered. To learn more about light therapy, how the Visum Light works, and the amazing results experienced by people and pets all over the world, take a look at our website, visumlight.com. And to stay updated on the latest news, webinars, promotions, stories of people and animals who have benefited from the healing effects of light therapy, find us at the links in the video description below. And for more informational and inspirational videos on light therapy, subscribe now and turn on notifications to receive alerts for all our latest videos. And don't forget to sign up for our newsletter, where we share tips and other valuable information. Here's a tip. Light therapy is not black and white where one size fits all. So when we are asked about things such as dosing, which is the duration and intensity of the light used, the normal answer is, it depends. There are several factors to consider when determining the dosing for your treatment. These include the age of the injury or condition, the age and overall health of the patient, the size of the injury, medications being taken, and the response from the patient throughout the treatment. All of these aspects factor into the delivery of light. So when we offer suggestions for time and intensity, please keep in mind that these are starting settings and you may need to modify them based on your results. In general, if a patient is new to light therapy, it's always best to go slow. Thank you for watching. I'm Sharon, and I appreciate your time, and I wish you light, health, and happiness.